In this video, I'm going to show you how to make blur transition on CapCut PC. So the first thing you want to do is put in two different clips between which you'd like to add the blur transition. So in my case, I'm going to use two random clips from the library. I'm going to use these two, and you have to drag them into the timeline, and we're going to apply a blur transition between these two. Now what you then want to do is go under the transitions tab up here and then select blur on the left. So just click on blur, and as you can see, you have multiple different blurs over here. Now you can choose which one you'd like to see. In this case, as you can see, if you only click on it, it's going to play the transition for you, and you can choose whether you like this one or another one. So there are multiple options, as I said, and this one, the blur, is the most basic one, so I'm going to use this one. You have to click on it and then drag it down here, and as you can see, it says create duplicate frames for transition, and you can only press OK, and that's exactly what you want to press. And you can select this if you want to, but not if you don't. I'm not going to do this, so I'm going to be notified every time CapCut wants to create duplicate frames for transition. You click on OK, and then when you play the video, as you can see, there was a smooth blur transition in between those two clips, and that's exactly how you do it. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to subscribe to the channel.